Well, good morning, afternoon, or evening. This is Carol Brown Earl. I'm coming to you live from Bristol, Virginia. Today I'm going to give you a little testimony on a dear friend of mine, or someone who's become a dear friend of mine, Roy Miller. He joined my team just not too long ago, and I'll tell you what, he has been a blessing. He not only is smart, energetic, loves to help people, puts them first at all times. He comes with a lot of integrity and experience. And one thing that I really do like about Roy is I look for special characters in people, such as self-discipline, those willing to sacrifice what's needed to become successful online. I look for that commitment and that dedication that's so important in order to strive and get to where you want to be to reach your goals and your dreams. And I find that Roy is just full of all these exceptional qualities. He knows where he wants to go and he's willing to do the work to get there. And I'll tell you what, he is rising up fast. So if you have an opportunity to work with Roy, I would say go for it. He will do you a world of wonder. He'll help you get through the failures that we all go through so that you realize that, hey, we have to fail to get ahead, and there are always good things. He'll be there to catch you when you think you're falling. He'll be there to glorify in your successes. He's just a right-hand person and dead on when it comes to explaining and teaching what you need to know to succeed. So again, you get a chance to work with Roy, do it. I definitely can guarantee it will not be a mistake. He's a godsend. So anyway, God bless for now. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Hope you talk to Roy real soon. Bye for now.